this toy states it can do 20 km/h. Unfortunately, it's not even close. It's actually very slow. It can't even keep up with the slow walking speed from myself. So this car is actually supposed to be able to do 20 km/h, which is 12.4 miles per hour. Unfortunately, after checking it, it barely goes over 3 miles per hour. So very disappointed. To be fair, I would recommend people buy this if they're going to give it to their dog like I am to just destroy it. It was less than 30 bucks. Otherwise, I wouldn't recommend buying it, honestly. But she's going to have a little bit of fun. She prefers the faster cars. Suspension's not very good. You can adjust the steering a little bit. It does just pull to one side, which is really annoying. And the steering inputs from the remote don't really work, or they're delayed. So it's just not recommended, honestly. So I'm just gonna let it go in a straight line. You'll see it veers to the left, and then I have to actually correct. So annoying. And then that was full speed. So it doesn't stand a chance to get away from the dog, honestly, in the house. Outside, it definitely doesn't stand a chance to get away. She's very quick. We do have another one, which I'll show you guys later. But that one was, I think, 90 bucks. That one's a lot better because it can actually go, I think, 36 miles per hour. So she has a harder time catching it.
Flip it over again. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Whoopsie. Flip it over. Flip it over.
Please subscribe and like our videos. On Mondays, we're going to try and do a dog video. On Tuesdays, we do a food video. On Wednesdays, we do either a car or a travel video. Thursdays, we do a workout video.